Here we are back at the dog park. And we've got the Psycho twins. Piper's currently got the ball, so nobody's really going to get the ball. Oh, there's Kimber got it now. She took it. But yeah, the day after treatment, usually a little slower feeling. It doesn't really affect me too much, but you get a little waves of nausea and an odd taste in my mouth, etc. But nothing we can't handle, because, well, gotta do what we gotta do. Alright, drop it. Drop it. She's gotta chew on it for 5 minutes before she drops the damn thing. Sit. Kimber, sit down. She used to listen. But anyway, so to run their energy off because they're crazy, I don't have much option but to come down here when I don't even really feel like it. But such is life, right? That's how it goes. Try and get that shadow in there. And Piper does nothing but bark. And I forgot my sunglasses in the truck. And the only way to keep Piper quiet is when she's running. So yeah, it's not a really painful procedure. It's uncomfortable. And then it's over. And we move on. Come on, drop the ball. Drop it. Drop it. Chew, chew, chew. So we'll go this way. But the dog park Pinoca put in is really quite good compared to the last one. I mean, the previous one, it's still there. We can still use it, but it's not as nice. There's not really any picnic tables within the park. It's basically just a overgrown paddock. This one, we got a walking path all the way around. We got some trees planted. They haven't grown much yet, but it's only been this year. And yeah, it's fenced in so the dogs can't get at the river. Walking path on the other side of the river. Families out there all the time, especially today. I mean, we're hovering around 0, maybe a little warmer between Christmas and New Year's. In Alberta, we're usually close to minus 30 right now, if not colder. But it's quite enjoyable. So, I just saw a family out with their bikes. That's pretty wild. So, yeah. Lots of fun. Always something going on. This gets me a little bit of exercise. At least it gets me out of the house from sitting on the couch doing nothing. Bring the dogs down here. Oh, but you do have to use your poop bags because, you know, we didn't work our way up to the top of the food chain with these opposable thumbs for nothing, so we can pick up dog poop. That's okay. I'd rather not step in it, but lots of people don't. So sometimes we have to clean off our shoes. Anyway, that's that for now.